Right after the Yamuna Aarti, the first Delhi cabinet meeting has begun. The new Delhi Sarkar hits the ground running. After Yamuna Aarti, Delhi Chief Minister in action mode with the first cabinet meeting already going on. What's interesting is, because officially there hasn't been any announcement on what portfolios will be allocated to which of the 7 ministers, but there is an indication that in all probability there could be a deputy CM at play, and that deputy CM could very well be Parvesh Verma. Having said that, the first cabinet meeting has begun of the 9th Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, chairing this cabinet meet along with her 6 ministers. Now, there will be at least a vision layout over the next couple of months and a longer vision on what the Delhi government would need to accomplish. Already they have given themselves 3 years to clean the Yamuna, but with the Sankalp Patra that they had, there were a lot of promises that were made, and deliverance on them would also be key. And one of them is, and I want to bring in my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who's tracking this meeting very closely. Shreya, would be the deliverance of the 2,500 rupees promised in the Sankalp Patra of the BJP in Delhi.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. You know, there are some of the primary promises that the BJP had given, out of which there are few which will probably be featuring in the first cabinet. One will be that 2,500 to women, because Rekha Gupta herself said that by the 8th of March, women in the national capital will be getting 2,500 each. Apart from that, we will also in all likelihood see the Ayushman Bharat scheme being implemented in the national capital. Ever since the BJP was fighting this poll, Preeti, we've seen them harping about the Aam Aadmi Party stalling the Ayushman Bharat scheme, and if they come to power, then that will be the first thing that they will be doing as the cabinet settles. Apart from that, the Yamuna revival, because we don't think that that will be a miss, because we saw the stage for that was set with that Aarti at Vasudev Ghat. But clearly, that's the messaging that the BJP is also trying to give, that their priority is the cleaning up of the Yamuna. So maybe some, on-record, timeline-bound messaging on the Yamuna revival. So all likelihood, these 3 promises will be featuring in today's cabinet meeting. Once the cabinet meeting is done, we will also be seeing a briefing that will be held shortly.
All right. You know, what's also important right now, viewers, is because the promise of 2,500 rupees to the women of Delhi was not just made by the leaders who were campaigning in Delhi. That promise came directly from the Prime Minister in a rally where he had said that by Women's Day, which is on the 8th of March, the women of Delhi will be delivered the promise that the BJP has made. Before I move on, I want to quickly get in Shreya for a quick update. Shreya, along with, of course, delivering on the promises which were there in the BJP manifesto or Sankalp Patra, there is this definitive push, and we've seen it through the course of the day after the ministers, all 7 of them took oath, which is to take immediate action on what the BJP alleges were corruption charges against the former government.
We will definitely be seeing that happening, Preeti, because as soon as the wind settled in so far as the BJP is concerned, that was one of the first statements given in by the Prime Minister as well, that whoever looted the national capital, they will be avenged. So these were statements by the PM, reiterated by Rekha Gupta as well after she was sworn in, at least she was designated to be the Chief Minister. So clearly we will be seeing those CAG reports being tabled in the first assembly. In all likelihood, host of actions are waiting. That includes the actions against the 6 Flagstaff March road beautification, flow ratio violation. There are multiple cases there with the CBI as well. There's one with the Transport Department investigation going on. The liquor policy case has not really gone away. So trouble will continue to mount for Aam Aadmi Party, because that's something that the BJP is very clear about.
Well, the transport case would be interesting to know where that goes, because viewers, the transport minister at the time was Kailash Gehlot, and since then Kailash Gehlot has switched to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So how much will that allegation in the transport case be pursued remains to be seen.